Young doggy gets first job at Bone Mart stocking shelves with squeaky toys and tennis balls. Doggy earns 20 bones per week in the booming fetch economy. Very prestigious position that required bachelor's degree in ball studies. Doggy very excited. Doggy wants to buy all the treats immediately because delayed gratification is for cats. Old wise doggy appears wearing reading glasses and smelling like disappointment. Says, "Hold up, young pup, let me show you bone magic." Young doggy confused. "What is bone magic? Is this Harry Potter?" Old doggy says, "Your bones can have babies, but only if you're patient enough and don't blow everything on premium kibble." Young doggy tilts head. "Bones don't have babies. That's weird." Old doggy sighs. "Listen carefully. You put 10 bones in the magic bone box. Box gives you 1 extra bone every year. That's 10% bone babies. So 11 bones next year? Correct. But here's the magic part. Year 2, you get bone babies on your bone babies. 11 bones become 12 bones and 10 kibble." Young doggy still confused. "That's only 20 kibbles extra. Big deal." Old doggy pulls out calculator. "Einstein doggy once said this is the 8th wonder of the world." Very smart physics doggy with crazy fur. He knew bone magic. Old doggy shows calculator. "You put 10 bones in magic box every month. Starting now, age 25. Calculator goes brrr, like financial advisor's commission counter. At age 65, you have 350,000 bones. Young doggy's eyes get very big. "How many treats is that?" "All the treats. Forever treats. Enough bones to buy your own Bone Mart franchise and exploit other young doggies." But young doggy gets distracted. Sees shiny new squeaky toy advertised by influencer doggy on TikTok. Costs 50 bones. Young doggy thinks, "I'll start bone magic next year. Economy's probably gonna crash anyway." Next year comes. Young doggy still buying treats. Says, "I'll start next year for sure. Maybe when interest rates are better." This happens for 10 years because market timing is easier than self-control. Finally, at 35, young doggy starts putting 10 bones per month in magic box. At 65, doggy has only 130,000 bones. Young doggy is sad. "Where did my 220,000 bones go?" Old doggy shakes head. They went to the procrastination cat, sneaky feline who eats compound interest for breakfast and retirement dreams for dinner. Young doggy asks, "Why does waiting 10 years cost so much?" Old doggy explains, "Your first 10 bones work for 40 years like unpaid interns. They become 180 bones. But if you wait 10 years, they only work for 30 years. They become only 68 bones. Time is money, but apparently money is also time. So starting early is like hiring bone employees sooner?" "Exactly. And your bone employees hire more bone employees. And those hire more. It's like a bone pyramid scheme, but legal and actually works." Young doggy thinks hard. "What if I put in more bones later to catch up?" Old doggy shows calculator again. "To get same result, you need to save 24 bones per month instead of 10. That's not fair. Fair is a place where they judge pigs. This is capitalism." Young doggy has light bulb moment. "So, compound interest is like bone multiplication?" "Yes, but only if you don't touch the bones. Every time you take bones out, you fire your bone employees, and they go work for Wall Street instead." Old doggy continues. "Also, vacuum cleaner tries to suck up your bones every year, usually 3% per year because of inflation. So you need your bones to have at least 3% babies just to break even with rising kibble costs. There's always something trying to eat bones." Welcome to adult doggy life in late-stage capitalism. Young doggy makes decision. "I will start magic bone box today, even if it's just 5 bones per month." Old doggy proud. Smart doggy. "Small bones grow into big bones, but 0 bones stays 0 bones forever, just like minimum wage." Young doggy pauses. "What if the magic bone box breaks? That's why you spread bones across many boxes. Don't put all bones in one box. That's called diversification. Fancy word for don't be stupid with bones like everyone who bought GameStop." Young doggy walks away, slightly overwhelmed but determined. Old doggy calls out, "Remember, compound interest works both ways. Credit card companies use it against doggies who don't pay bills on time." Young doggy turns around. "Wait, what?" Old doggy grins. Young doggy realizes being adult doggy is complicated, but compound interest is still magic, even if the magic takes 40 years to work properly and requires more patience than waiting for dinner. Want to learn how doggy can escape debt traps and build real wealth in this rigged economy? Subscribe for more financial reality checks.